Hello everyone, welcome to the last video of the subject Introduction to Internet of Things for the Module 5, that is IoT Case Studies and Future Trends, and the subject code is BETCK105 or 205H. So let us discuss the first question. With a neat diagram, explain the architecture of vehicular IoT and list the advantages of vehicular IoT. Here, with a neat diagram, you have to explain the devices or components such as device, fog, cloud. That are the components of the vehicular IoT, and you should also explain the advantages of vehicular IoT like easy tracking, fast decision making, connected vehicles, easy management, safety, and record. These are the advantages of vehicular IoT in case of IoT studies and future trends. And the next question is explain the various components that are used to deploy the IoT in vehicular system. Here you need to explain the components of the vehicular IoT such as sensors, satellites, wireless connectivity, roadside unit, cloud and fog computing, and analytics. And the third question is illustrate the case study. Here we have to illustrate about the case study. Let us see the question for the case study. Crime assistance in a smart IoT transportation system. Very important. These 6 questions are very important, as you can get easily marks in this module. You can score easily in this module by reading only this 6 questions. It completes all the topics in the module which have been provided by the Vtu University. Let us come to the third question. Crime assistance in a smart IoT transportation system. Here with a block diagram you have to explain with tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3, in which tier 1 consists of image process and event dispatcher, and tier 2 which consists target object training and notification factory, and tier 3 which consists of crime assist unit. And you should explain each one of them. Why? Because it has been asked for 10 marks, and you should explain each of the components of the crime assistance of IoT transportation system. And the next question is explain the architecture, components and advantages of healthcare IoT with block diagrams, and explain the risk in IoT healthcare. This is very important. Here you need to explain the 4 layers of the healthcare IoT and components of healthcare IoT such as sensors, wireless connectivity, privacy and security, analytics, cloud and fog computing interface. That are the components of healthcare IoT, and you should explain each one of them. And they have been asked the advantages of healthcare IoT. The advantages of healthcare IoT are namely real-time, low cost, easy management, and automatic processing, and easy record keeping and easy diagnosis. These are the advantages of healthcare IoT. And at last they have been asked explain risk in healthcare IoT. Even though IoT are very important, there is also a risk in the healthcare IoT. So let us see what are the risk in healthcare IoT. The risk in healthcare IoT such as loss of connectivity and security risk. These are the risk in IoT healthcare. And the next question is explain hardware components and front end design features of ambulance system. Here you need to explain primary objectives of the ambulance systems, and you have to explain the 4 layers of it. And the hardware components, they have also mentioned the hardware components. The hardware components such as sensors, local data, processing unit, and communication module. These are the components of the ambulance system. And the last question is what is machine learning? What are the advantages and challenges in machine learning? Also explain the types of machine learning. So this is all about the machine learning. Here you need to define what is machine learning, and you should also write the advantages of machine learning such as self-learner, time efficient, self-guided, minimum human interaction required, diverse data handling, and diverse applications. These are the advantages of machine learning. And you should also explain the types of machine learning, and moreover They have also mentioned the challenges in machine learning. And the challenges in machine learning are data description, amount of data, erroneous data, selection of model, and quality of model. These are the challenges of the machine learning. And at last, they have been asked the type of machine learning. Here there are four types: supervised, unsupervised, semi-supervised, and reinforced learning. Reinforcement learning. These are the four types of machine learning you have to be explained in your exams, and this is very important. Please go through all these questions. Why? Because these 6 questions are very important for the fifth module. You have only 6 questions. By sitting you can finish the fifth module and you can score. Why? Because the fifth module is a scoring subject and the first module also. So please go through all these 6 questions and you have very crucial time. Out of finishing your chemistry exam, you people don't have time for the subjects. So please go through, and with my efforts I have done all these questions. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. And I will come with more videos on the second sem also. Thank you.